Cool. So as you can see, here's the goodies. They will give you always this little bags with stuff to clean the glass, and also this little thingy to if the glasses are let's say they start opening up, you can tighten them up with it. Also you will get if you watch until the end of the video, I will leave a code for like 15% on your next order. Leave the informations below about everything you need to know about them, the name, also the number if there is any number. So SKU, by the number I mean SKU. So these are really cool. They have them in two colors. Wow, look at this color, guys. It's orange, green, and other colors. They really look super cool. Called Reyes, like I think in Spanish means king. So there you go, guys. I chose them in black and gold, because why not? They called Reyes. Hello, guys. This is Mehdi from Voyagify, and today, big news. We get our FYTOO glasses. I was looking forward for this day, and I'm really happy that I got them today. So let's open them together and see what we get in this box. So usually FYTOO will send you these beautiful boxes that are very simple and with a lot of goodies inside. So let's check it out. So with this video we'll be reviewing 4 frames. So frames I've checked and I really liked. So I took the time to some of them I put a filter, or let's say a different glass, and the others are clear glass. Cool. So as you can see, here's the goodies. They will give you always this little bags with stuff to clean the glass, and also this little thingy to if the glasses are let's say they start opening up, you can tighten them up with it. Also you will get $10 off, and I find this very cool because let's say I want to introduce my mother, my cousin, my aunt on this, or my girlfriend, I would just go ahead and give her this thing so she can have a deal on her first purchase. So let's see what we have here. So we get the 4 glasses, as you can see. Let's see which one we start with. Oh, we're starting with the ones that we're looking forward to see the best. So these ones. So these are the Selene ones. So I will leave the informations below about everything you need to know about them, the name, also the number if there is any number. So SKU, by the number I mean SKU. So these are really cool. They have them in 2 colors. They have them in this white and pink, and they also have them in gray and yellow. So there you go. First ones. I don't know what you guys think. I like them. They're really cool. I like the color mixture. We have pink and white. They're pretty cool. So these are glasses I would usually wear when I go out to the beach, or when it's a funky night out. I'll wear these. Can put these aside. Really cool quality. And the glass also, they really put really cool glass. Let's check out the second ones. Second ones are also something I was waiting for a lot, and they are called the Down. Wow, look at this color, guys. It's orange, green, and other colors. They really look super cool, super clean. This is for like when you want to dress smart, or you have a meeting at work, you wear these because they look pretty cool. So these are called Down. I will leave the informations below. They also have other colors in them. They have like 4 more colors that you can use, and I will go ahead and tell you to check them out if you're into this type of glasses. But the quality, I can tell you guys, is really sturdy. and the color mixture, it's really cool. Now we can go ahead and check out the third one. So this is, as you can see, I don't know what's inside, so it's like lottery. Whenever I open something, I'm like, wow. Oh, third ones are the one and only, they have this aviator shape, and they are called Reyes. Like, I think in Spanish means king. So there you go, guys. I chose them in black and gold, because why not? They called Reyes, so I thought I would choose kind of cool king colors, because Reyes think it's king. So let's check them out. Wow, these are pretty cool. I feel like a police officer in the 90s. So these, you can find them in two colors as well, either full black or black and gold like I did. And also you need to know something about FYTOO. You get your glasses really fast. You get them in almost a week till 10 days. You have 30-day return and exchange. You have 100% secure payment. So before today, I've bought maybe 10 frames for them before, so it's not my first time buying from them. And you have a 180-day warranty. And obviously, when you buy more than $69, you have free shipping. Their customer service is really cool. Whenever you want to ask about something or change anything, you get in touch with them, and they really do a great job doing whatever you ask for them. Cool. So let's see the last ones. Last ones are called Chico. So Chico also is in two colors. Let's check it out. Wow, look at that. So I chose this very nice color. Which is, by the way, if you watch until the end of the video, I will leave a code for like 15% on your next order, so that when you want to have new glasses, you're ready, and when summer comes, you can have some nice sunglasses. Or maybe if you need them even now, if you need glasses, you can go ahead and use that code and get 15% off your order. So last ones are Chico. They're really cool, really strong glasses. The glass is super nice, super thin, and also when it's a good glass, when the sun hits you, you can see colors on the glass, and that's the feeling I get from these. They're called Chico. They have two color choices. You can either have them in full black, as I said, or in gold and blue. I will also leave the information about these below, and also I will leave the code below in case you want to have new glasses. You can use that code to get a 15% discount. So this was it, guys. Let me show you. So that was the Chico here. Here was the down. Leave in the comment which ones you enjoyed the most. Here is the Reyes. And last but not least, my favorite for now is the Selene. So I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you liked my new frames, because I'm gonna be rocking these all the time from now on, plus the 10 I already have. And wishing you a great day. See you next time. Bye bye.